Hi, I'm Sanwin. I'm the owner of the beautiful home.
Hi, I'm Catherine and I'm the ID who runs her project. Because previously her house was very old, very dull. So actually what she wants is a very bright and more spacious house. And then she liked the theme actually more of white and wooden. So actually we go with this theme called Muji minimalistic. So as you can see in the video, the house will be not so much thing, but yet it's easy to maintain.
I choose Catherine from Interior Thai because she's friendly, she's passionate about her work, and she's prompt in giving me advice and information on what I need. She also tried to work out within my budget. I love the whole house, but my two favorite parts will be the kitchen and the master bedroom because it's bright and cozy. I'm very satisfied with overall design, and I definitely recommend Catherine from Interior Thai to the others. I found Renopedia through Facebook. They recommend me for this Interior Thai, and that's where I meet my ID Catherine. I recommend homeowner to visit Renopedia platform or look for Catherine from Interior Thai.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.